So we're going to make some carrot and cobnut muffins. The good thing about this recipe is that you make the mix overnight and leave it in the fridge. It's got things like yogurt and honey and oil in, and you actually use all bran breakfast cereal, which is quite tough and hard, but overnight that soaks down, and then you can just pop them in the oven in the morning and have fresh muffins for breakfast. I'm going to add the cobnuts now rather than overnight, because I think they tend to soften a little bit, and it's nice to keep those a little bit crispy. So we've just toasted those. I'm going to add those in, and even though it's got self-raising flour in, again, because overnight that raising agent has mixed with liquid, you may have lost a little bit of its oomph, as it were. So I put a tiny bit more baking powder in the morning. So give that a good little mix round. And as I say, you probably don't want to get up and start making muffin mix, but the fact that you can have the mix in the fridge overnight is great, because you can wake up, pop these in quickly, carry on doing whatever you're doing, and in 20 minutes you've got lovely warm muffins. And I've added carrots and sultanas into these, but you could play around with various different things. You could put grated apple, you could add banana. It would be quite nice. I've done it with banana before, and various different sort of dried fruits as well work well with the cobnuts. Apricots particularly seem to work nicely. Just add a little bit more into one of these. Always treat yourself to a good spatula, because I always think when you've made something like this, there's actually loads of mix still in, and I get upset if I see people putting a bowl in the sink and there's still half a cake in it. So these go in 180, and we're going to put those on for 20 minutes and check those at the end of 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is up. Risen nicely, just give them a little touch, make sure they spring back, and sometimes, because they've already got honey in them, if you just want to give them another little brush over, gives them a lovely shine, and adds another little bit of sweetness. All ready for your breakfast with your cup of tea or your coffee.